Here's the thing, ChatGPT, Claude and Gemini, although they cost $20 a month, which is exactly same price for each one of them, but what you get against this $20 is widely different. While one of them can create images, create videos, can browse the web flawlessly, wherein the other one can create great summaries of the books. It can read the books and give you a flawless summary. While there is another one which is right there inbuilt in your Google ecosystem. Whether it's a spreadsheet or a Google Doc, it's so easy to integrate it with the Google ecosystem. So which one is for you? This video will help you in understanding what each one offers you and which one you should choose for that $20 which you're gonna spend. Alright, let's look at the lay of land. While ChatGPT is running at GPT model 5.4, Claude is running on a version 4.6. While when it comes to Gemini, it's running on its 3 series, which is 3.1. In terms of raw intelligence, all three of them are closer to each other. But the difference lies in which one is smarter in doing a particular thing. So the difference is around the ecosystem, the difference is around the features, the difference is around what they do the best. Before we go any further, there is one thing which you should know, that all these platforms right now offers a fast and everyday task kind of models. And they also offer a deeper thinking models. So you could take a difference as the light version and the pro version. While Claude gives you Sonnet and Opus, Gemini has Flash 3.1 Pro and DeepMind powered Deep Think mode. While a ChatGPT has instant mode and a deep thinking mode. Now let's get on to what each one of them does the best. And this will help you in deciding which one makes sense for you. Let's first talk about ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is like a Swiss knife. It does everything. It has built in so many features under the same roof. It creates images with Delhi, it creates videos with Sora, and it has incredibly good voice conversations. You can browse the web, analyze massive data sheets, write code, and build custom GPTs. The feature list is genuinely massive. With GPT 5.4 upgrade, their coding capabilities got a major boost. They also rolled out advanced computer use, meaning the AI can literally navigate your screen and execute workflows for you. Plus, they have Codex, a full coding agent which can independently work on your coding projects. The verdict: if you want one AI which can cover the largest number of use cases, ChatGPT is for you. But because it does everything, its creative writing sometimes looks very generic. Unless you give a very deep prompt, then you can have a better creative writing from it. Now we come to Claude. Claude doesn't do everything. It chooses what it does. There are very few things which Claude does, but when it does those things, they do it brilliantly. First up is writing. Claude is the clear winner here. If you tell it, write this in a conversational tone, keep it professional, absolutely no bullet points, and use short paragraphs, Claude just does it. It does not fight you, it does not overformat. A lot of users say talking to a Claude feels like collaborating with a thoughtful human colleague, and I completely agree with this. Second block is coding. Claude Code has become one of the favorite tools for coders. It's an agentic tool that can analyze and work across your entire code base. They also launched Cowork, which brings that same agentic capability to non-coders. It can manage files, automate desktop tasks, and handle repetitive workflows, making it a massive powerhouse for the workers. But where? So if you are doing any of these two, Claude is a clear winner for you. But one place where it falls short is creating images or creating videos. Those are the features are not there in Claude right now, and even if they are there, they are not that great. So if you're looking for some tool which can be a good partner when it comes to coding, or you are looking for a tool which can do a very good conversational text, Claude is for you. Next up is Gemini. There are two most important things about Gemini. Number one is Google integration. If you are someone whose life revolves around the Google tools, whether it's the Gmail, whether it's the spreadsheets, whether it's the Google Docs, then you will find a seamless integration with Gemini. There are a lot of people who use this tool because it gives them the seamless integration in the Google's ecosystem. The second reason to use a Gemini is a deep research. Now, it's a clear winner when it comes to deep research. You give it a complex question and create a literal research plan. It then goes out, browses hundreds of websites on your behalf, and returns with a beautifully detailed multi-page report, complete with citations. And it doesn't stop there. It asks you whether this plan makes sense. And if you agree with it, you even have an options of adding more websites which it can crawl, more data it can look at. But if you agree with the plan finally, that's when it starts the research. For students, analysts, content creators, this is a massive superpower. They have also packed in great creative tools like image generation via their Imagen model and a video generation with a VO 1.5 plus. Gemini's free tier is easily the most generous of the three. The shortcoming, Gemini loses its edge if you go outside of the Google ecosystem, because there it performs like a bot. If you want a real power of Gemini, you should integrate it with your Google softwares, whether it's Google Docs, spreadsheets, or Gmail. That's where the real or the massive value of Gemini comes in. Now let's talk pricing. All three have a free tier and all three have a premium tier, right around $20 mark. ChatGPT Plus is $20, Claude Pro is $20, Google One AI Premium is $19.99, which is as good as $20. On the surface, they look identical, but here's the nuance most people miss. The runway you get is totally different. With ChatGPT, you are getting a massive buffet of features. With Claude, you get a limited features, but the model is incredibly thorough. In Gemini, with $20, you get a chatbot which is well integrated with the Google ecosystem. So here's the recommendation time. Let's pick which one is the best for you. If you're a student and want to spend $0, then Gemini is for you. If you're a writer or creative person, then Claude should be the choice for you. If you're a developer, I don't even have to tell you, you already know this, Claude Code is the best one for you. If you're someone who is working in the Google ecosystem, then you know it, Gemini is for you. If you want a single tool that does everything, ChatGPT is the choice for you. But here's the ultimate pro tip. You don't have to choose one of them. There are free versions available for each one of them. So what you can do is maybe pay for one of them while use the free tiers for the others. And they give you massive features because it's just a picking time right now. So they give you the massive features even in their free versions. In this series, we are talking about AI for everyone. We'll keep on dropping videos around AI, which tools are coming in, which are the best tools. So you can subscribe our channel, you can follow us, and do share it with your friends if you like the content. And do tell me, by combining these three tools, what are those massive things which you have done? You can drop your comment to share the same with us. Thank you for today.